Split Names is a one-step tool that separates the first and last names in Google Sheets. Not only does the add-on see all delimiters and split text to columns, but it also recognizes titles and postnominals, tells the first names from middle and last names, and separates all name units to their designated columns. Let me show you how to split any name combinations using this tool. I'm going to split this list of full names. All names have different name units arranged in no particular order. Once you install Split Names, it will appear in your add-ons menu. Run it, and you'll see two types of settings to adjust. The first one is this checkbox. It takes care of headers. If you select it, the value in the first row will not be split, and all new columns will be named after the name parts they contain. All other checkboxes are used to say how you want to split those names. The add-on will separate first, middle and last names, salutations and titles, name suffixes and postnominals. I select them all and click Split to see the result. The add-on analyzes all names in your selection, identifies all name parts no matter their position in cells, and splits all units accordingly, and all is under a minute. You can get Split Names in the add-on store as a separate tool or as part of Power Tools, a collection of over 30 similar time savers for your spreadsheets. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you.